Engine disassembly. The following service tools or tools of equal quality are considered necessary to disassemble the engine. Service tools required: lifting fixture, engine rebuild stand, engine stand adapter, filter wrench, spin on. Desirable service tools: engine support, puller pulley, fan hub wrench, crankshaft flange puller, fan hub wrench, injector removal tool, main bearing cap puller, liner puller bridge, liner puller assembly, seal mandrel. Standard tools: hoist power or chain, steam cleaner, cleaning tank, rinsing tank, impact wrench, glass bead cleaner. Follow these steps to disassemble the engine. Unit removal and cleaning before disassembly of an engine or any unit used on the engine. Inspection of the overall condition should be made. Engine serial number plate. Engine serial number plate is located on the gear case mounting flange. Always refer to serial number and model designation when ordering parts or assemblies. Drain water and oil. 1. Drain lubricating oil from oil pan, oil filter, oil cooler, hydraulic governor if used, and air compressor. 2. Drain fuel oil from fuel pump, fuel filters and fuel lines. 3. Open vent cocks and drain water from cylinder block, radiator, oil cooler, heat exchanger and air compressor as applicable for bleed compressed air system when used. Electrical connections. 1. Disconnect and tag wire leads from terminals of generator, cranking motor, cold starting aids, fuel pump shut, down valve, regulator, remote controls, control panels, etc. as used. 2. Remove all other electric controls and wiring.